So today topic is on NQ, okay? NQ process. So see, so this comes under the work process. So I completed dialog, background, update. So this is NQ, okay? This is the fourth work process, NQ. So basically, so I've explained in the update work process. So see, before updating any temporary tables to permanent tables, so this what you say, update work process uses the NQ work process to make a lock on the particular object, right? So that no other users modify it. So this is dedicated to this is dedicated in app server only. Okay. So I have explained in the update work process, right? Right, guys? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Nisha? Yeah. Okay. So there I didn't explain you more about this NQ. So I will explain here. Okay. So basically it is used to NQ/DQ. So NQ means lock. So then what about DQ? If NQ is locked, then what do you mean by DQ? Anybody? Anybody in class wants to try? What do you mean by DQ? Srinisha or Rajesh? Vamshi? Hello? Anybody wants to try? What do you mean by DQ? Vamshi? If NQ means lock, then what do you mean by DQ? It is simple. Can anybody wants to try? Hello, I'm asking to you, yes or no? Or shall I tell? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, if NQ means lock, then what do you mean by DQ? This is simple only. What is the
Unlock.
opposite of lock?
Unlock, sir.
Unlock,
Yes.
sir.
Yes. So DQ means unlock only. It is used to NQ, DQ means lock, unlock the objects. During an update, okay. So whenever there is an update, as I shown you with the example, by creating a user, that no two user can create a one new user at the same time at the same place. Okay, right? So by default one NQ process per system is installed along with the message server. Okay, it is possible to configure more than one NQ process in a massive update. So this is the definition of NQ. So basically, this NQ is used for the lock mechanism. So whenever, see, initially all the data stores in the temporary table, right? It needs to update in the permanent table. So that will be done by the update only, right? But before updating it, so this NQ will, so before updating it, this NQ will lock that particular object that no other user can modify it. It has only display access. Okay. So in a system, by default, you will going to have only one NQ process per system. ఒక system కి ఒకటే NQ ఉంటుంది, along with the message server. So in the architecture, I told you guys, right? What is the functioning of the message server? So message server, what does? Message server communicates with the presentation server, right? To identify the least loaded instance, right? Message server, what does do? It is the intelligent server to communicate with the message server to identify the least loaded instance, right? So the topic yesterday I covered you, right? For you, installing, I showed you how to install application server, right? Yesterday I showed you, right? Yes or no? How to install dialog instance, that is application server, right? Yes or no? Srinisha, Vinay, Rajesh, yesterday you were on the class, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what is the use of the application server? So see, when central instance is getting load, then we deploy the additional application server. So why? To share the load on the particular server. So message server, what will in the backend do? If central instance is getting fully loaded, then it will transfer some of the users in the dialog instance. In the backend, it will communicate with the presentation server whenever the user request comes, right? So that is message server. Now see, it is possible to configure more than one NQ process in a massive update, right? If suppose there is a big update, you can configure more than one NQ process, but by default, when you install the SAP, you will having only one NQ process along with the message server. So yesterday I showed you how to install the additional application server. That is your dialog instance, right? So now parameter. So parameter, see, hard disk, same. So all the parameter of the work process starts with hard disk only. Hard disk slash WP underscore ENQ. So it is either 1 or 2. Okay. So now see, ensure that NQ process are configured on the central instance only to share the NQ table. So whenever the NQ process are configured, it should be on the central instance. What? Because it needs to share the NQ table. So these are NQ are configured on the central instance only, not on application server. Okay, right? Okay. So now see, next point. NQ logs are stored in NQ table, right? Which is which is configured by parameter. Okay, so I will note down there the parameter enq slash table underscore size is equal to 4 MB to 200 MB. So by default, like this. So in the new versions, the table size will be 200, and in the old version 4 MB. Okay, so see, so all the tables having size, right? So in the background I told TCP is the table for background, right? So every work process have its table. So here see, NQ logs are stored in the NQ table, right? Which is configured by the parameter. So this is the parameter for the table for the NQ. So coming to the old versions, the size is 4 MB, and coming to the new versions, the size is 200 MB. Okay. So before NetWeaver 7.2, so before NetWeaver 720, the size is 4 MB. So this is the default. You can increase the size based upon your hardware configurations, right? But default 4 MB maximum from the new version starts with 200. So after NetWeaver 720, so by default it is 200 MB. Okay, right? Right. So see, so generally what happened? So we have SAP NetWeaver versions, right? So before NetWeaver 720, so we will see, and after NetWeaver 720, or you can also say as 7.2. So all the major drastic changes have happened after NetWeaver 7.2. All the major changes in the SAP drastic have been after NetWeaver 7.2. See, with the help of slide, I will explain you. So see, so this is before NetWeaver 7.2. So NW means NetWeaver. So this is after NetWeaver 7.2. So see, so before NetWeaver 7.2, so all the things are in one box, and after NetWeaver 7.2, this single box got split. It's split into two boxes. So see, I will write some of the components before NetWeaver 7.2. So basically, let us say this is the PAS, means primary application server. So see here, so in the primary application server, we have ABAP dispatcher, right? Okay. Then we have work process, right? Then we have NQ. NQ work process, which we are discussing right now, right? So we have NQ work process, okay? Then we have, here I will write, then we have gateway. Then after that we have ICM, Internet Communication Manager. Then we have IGS. And at last we have message server, okay? Yes or no? So these are in the one box, okay? So these are in the one box. What are those? Primary application server, work process, that is ABAP dispatcher, work process, NQ work process, okay? But these all things now has been split into the two box, okay? Like it has been split to ASCS, and in the bottom primary application server. So see, primary application server is now got splitted. So what are the components of the primary application server? You will have this one, ABAP, work process, NQ. So these are all the primary application servers. So okay. So wait a minute, I will rub this all. So I will draw with once again with me, because you will get confused, right? So I will rub it, because this box got short. So before, same thing I will write here, before NetWeaver 7.2. Okay. So let me write, after that I will draw the box. This is a primary application server. So in the primary application, the same ABAP dispatcher, right? So in that we have work process, ABAP dispatcher, work process, NQ, work process, okay, right? Right. So in the same box, we have gateway, okay, then we have ICM, then we have IGS, and message server. Okay. So we have gateway. So we have ICM. So we have message IGS, and so in the architecture I've explained you, right? Okay. So these all are the primary application server, right? So these are the primary application server components. What are those? ABAP dispatcher, work process. So in work process, dialog background. So those all are the work process. Okay. And so these all are on the these are the primary application server. So in so I will write here. So I will write here. So primary application server, okay, instance host. Okay. So this is the one. So this is before NetWeaver 7.2. So now this primary application server has now split it. Okay. So in this, what are the components? I will write here. So message server. Okay, I am writing in short. Message server and NQ server. Okay. And NQ replication server. So ASCS consists of message server, okay, right, NQ server, and at the last NQ replication server, okay, and the remaining all, see, these is splitted to two. So see, message server, and you can find here NQ server and NQ replication server is in ASCS, and remaining all primary application server has been splitted, right? So I will write the component's name here. So see, same ABAP dispatcher, work process, ABAP dispatcher and work process, right? And in the bottom, gateway, then you will have ICM, then you have at the last IGS. So these has been splitted like this. Okay, these has been splitted like this. Okay, understood. So at the last, you will having IGS. Okay, right? So this is the last component. Okay. Right. So similarly, this is the one box, right? Now IGS1, then you will having gateway in one box and another ICM. Okay, so this is the splitting has been done like this. Okay, so this first box is SAP Global Host. This ASCS is the SAP Global Host, and this one, as you know, these are the primary application server instance host. The second box, primary server host instance, primary application server host instance. So basically, this message server and NQ server you need to install separately in the separate host, that is ASCS, and remaining will be in the primary application server. So MS means message server, NQ server, NQ replication server. So please make a note of it. ICM means Internet Communication Manager. IGS means Internet Graphics Server. So in this all, I explain you in the architecture, right? Everybody is understanding, right? Srinisha, Vinay, Rajesh. So when you go to my architecture class, so when you go to my architecture class, then you can able to understand what I have told in the architecture, right? So now see, so this has been splitted. So major changes, what is happened? This primary application server has been splitted into ASCS and primary application server. Okay, so that's what I want to convey with the help of slide. Okay, so I have written one terminology, ERS. So I will tell about the ERS, that is NQ replication server. So this NQ replication server is nothing but high available system. This is nothing but high available system. Okay, see. So listen here carefully. So high available systems means cluster, mirroring, RAID, cluster, mirroring or RAID. Okay. So what are the examples of high available systems? So see, IBM systems are high available systems. Microsoft is high available systems. So examples of high available systems is IBM. So IBM company provided the high available systems along with the Microsoft systems. So these are the high available systems example. So see, whenever you want to go for the NQ replication server, then you need to install on the high available systems, that is IBM, Microsoft. Okay. So this high available system is also called as cluster. Okay, or mirroring, or you can say as RAID, replications. So these are, or you can say as nodes also. Okay, these also called as instance also. So these are the high available systems example, that is IBM, Microsoft. So whenever you trying to install high available system, you need to install in this IBM and Microsoft. Okay, so see, NQ is installed on the high available system. Why? Because it is installed high available systems because to replicate the logs, between the instance. So what do you mean by replicate? Replicate ante, does anyone know what do you mean by replicate? Anybody?
Repeating so many times.
Sorry?
Repeating so many times.
Your voice is not so clear. Can you write in the chat?
Sir, repeating so many times, sir.
Yes. Replicated means ante mirroring. Okay. Ante dupe. Inkokati dupe, right? Dupe. So in the movie, every hero have its own dupe, right? Prabhas own dupe. So if Prabhas, what he has done in the Bahubali movie, don't think that he has done nothing. Dupe. Prabhas, he has done, but major scenes has been performed by Prabhas dupe only. Why? Because see, if every Prabhas will do, sometimes what happen, some of the scenes chala tough untadi, jumping. Okay, so for jumping experts ఉంటారు. ఓకే, వాళ్ళతోనే చేస్తారు. ఎందుకు? see, మెయిన్ హీరోకి ఏమైనా అయితే సో మూవీ తొందరగా రిలీజ్ అవ్వదు, రైట్? సో మేజర్ యాక్టివిటీస్ డన్ బై డూప్ ఓన్లీ. వై? సో సేమ్ ప్రభాస్ కి ఎట్లా ఫేస్ అట్లనే సెటప్ చేస్తారు, హెయిర్స్ కానీ డ్రెస్ కానీ సేమ్ ప్రభాస్ లాగే ఉంటాడు. సో ప్రభాస్ ఇస్ ప్రైమరీ అండ్ ప్రభాస్, the guy who is doing the male stunt, it is dupe. So secondary, primary, secondary. Okay, so if primary is down, so Prabhas kemana ayipote, so dupe will act now like Prabhas. Okay, so prime ante oka reserve pettukuntaru, danne mirroring కూడా అంటారు. మీ ముఖం మీరు అద్దంలో చూసుకుంటారు కదా, సో సేమ్. సో see, ఇది ఎందుకంటే సిస్టమ్స్ కూడా. సో ఎలా అంటే, సపోజ్ సిస్టమ్ ఏ అండ్ సిస్టమ్ బి, సో దీస్ ఆర్ బోత్ ఆర్ సేమ్ సిస్టమ్. సో సిస్టమ్ ఏలో ఏం డేటా ఉంటుందా, సిస్టమ్ బిలో కూడా సేమ్ అదే డేటా ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, సో ఇది మెయిన్, సో ఇది ఏంటి సెకండరీ. సో సిస్టమ్ ఏ ఇఫ్ సపోజ్ గెట్స్ డౌన్ డ్యూ టు సమ్ issue, then system B will get activated automatically in the back end. So when system B is primary, then we can what do you say, we can repair the system A. So once system A is up, then system B will be secondary and system A will be your primary. Okay, so దీన్ని high available systems లోనే setup చేస్తారు. Okay, so see, coming to the real time, all the data is important. So based on the configuration, based on the criticality, so we will go for the NQ replication server. So this is not a mandatory. Okay, so why it is installed in the high available system? To replicate the logs ni replicate అవ్వాలి కదా, system A system B between the instance. So దాని గురించి, so this NQ should be must install on the high available system. So what are those systems? Microsoft, IBM high availability. Okay, so this is the concept of ERS, NQ replication server. Okay, so up to now what I told, this is the about the NQ. Okay, so parameter gaani ఇప్పుడు దాకా ఏం చెప్పానంటే these all are comes under the NQ definition. So actual steps for the NQ will start here. So what is that NQ process flow? NQ process flow. Okay, so first in this what happened, as for all the work process, so these 3 steps are common. User submits the so meeting is going to end it in another 1 minute, so please join with the same link. Samson, see, so every day you need to join with this link only. So the
Yes.
so this Zoom is limited for 40 minutes. Okay, so after that it
Oh.
automatically disconnects. So please join with the same link. Okay, so we
Okay,
will
sir.
meet
Okay, sir.
there. Okay, so
Okay,
I'm
sir.
stopping recording and closing the session. So we will connect there.